a variety of skin tag removal options available, from surgery to home DIY solutions. Having skin tags surgically removed is a good option, but the cost and the inconvenience does put people off. If skin tags are in a private area, they also might find it embarrassing and would then prefer to treat them themselves in the comfort of their own home. Applying a formula to a skin tag is popular. This method works by drying out the surface of the skin tag. This can be an effective method when treating small skin tags, as larger skin tags will need to be treated over a longer period. This means that the user should treat the skin tag multiple times per day, increasing the time involved to remove the skin tag. Another method of removing skin tags is by freezing them off using liquid nitrogen. This works by freezing the skin tag and preventing blood supply. While the skin tag is frozen, the blood can't flow through, which causes it to change colour and drop off. This can take multiple treatments and often requires a professional to apply the liquid. It can take up to 2 weeks to remove a skin tag using the freezing treatment, and depending on how well the treatment was carried out, it may leave a scar. A common skin tag removal treatment is using dental floss to tie onto the skin tag, which should help to cut off the blood supply. Even though this seems like an effective method, it can be a struggle to do it yourself if the tag is in a particularly awkward place. Also, if not done properly, it can cause pain and discomfort. Some people may decide to cut a skin tag off using scissors or a sharp tool, such as a scalpel. This is the most dangerous method to remove a skin tag, as it can lead to infection if not thoroughly cleaned with rubbing alcohol. This method can be very painful, and the skin tag will inevitably bleed. Although this will provide instant results, this method is not recommended, with a high chance of infection and scarring. This can be extremely dangerous if it's done within sensitive areas of the body. The TagBand skin tag removal kit is used to remove skin tags by significantly stopping their blood supply, and it has a very high success rate. The TagBand kit comes with alcohol cleansing swabs to clean the skin tag and surrounding skin area to minimise infection risks. The TagBand device works by applying a small band to the stem of the skin tag, significantly stopping the blood supply. By removing the blood supply, the skin tag will start to die. It will change colour and drop off once the skin tag has died, only leaving a small blemish. The time this method will take to work will depend on the size of the skin tag. However, most skin tags will drop off within 7 days of applying the band.